everyone, welcome to special episode of Indian Curries and Pickles. Today we are deviating from the usual recipes for curries or pickles. Instead, we are going to cook something sweet. After all, it's Raksha Bandhan in a couple of days. Mithai or desserts are the charm of our Indian festivals. But if the sweet dish is homemade, nothing like it. So on this Raksha Bandhan, try to surprise your brother or sister with a crunchy and nutty suji halwa with a twist. I have named it as caramel halwa, specially crafted by Indian Curries and Pickles. So brothers and sisters, let me introduce you to the ingredients first. And also let me share that this recipe is by my mother. So for the caramel halwa, all we need is suji, sugar, preferably brown and white mix, desi ghee, cashews, cardamom powder and saffron, and raisins. It is very simple to make. Soak the suji half an hour before the preparation. So now let me tell you, first step is we'll take desi ghee. So first we will add desi ghee, and let me tell you, any kind of halwa is not complete without desi ghee. You cannot make halwa in a refined oil or some other oil. We have to take desi ghee for halwa. Now let the oil heat. Keep the flame at high at this stage. Now we will add cardamom powder and few saffron strands. Now oil is smoking. We will add sugar to make the caramel. Now at high flame, let the sugar melt completely. The most convenient part about this halwa is that you don't have to make chashni. You just have to wait till this sugar becomes caramel. Keep the flame high and keep stirring the sugar. Otherwise it will stick to the pan. You'll wait till it becomes brown and nice. Now you can see the sugar has become totally brown. At this stage we will add raisins and cashews. Let cashews and raisins also become caramelized. Keep the flame low now, since the sugar has become totally brown. See how beautifully raisins have swollen up. They've also started camouflaging the caramel. Now our cashews have also turned little golden brown. At this stage we will add our soaked suji. See, this is soaked suji, and now it doesn't need any more water. And if you have noticed, I have used equal proportion of sugar and suji. 1 katori of suji and 1 katori of sugar. And now let's shake it nicely so that suji absorbs all the caramel. Can you see the crunch like butterscotch ice cream in this halwa? It will crunch like butterscotch ice cream only when you will eat. We will cook it for another 2 or 3 minutes on medium flame. And if the chunks of the caramel are a bit big, you can break it into smaller pieces. Now let it cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And our halwa is ready exactly in 10 minutes. Now it's done. We can switch off the flame. Let the sugar seep in the suji for a while. In the meantime, let's prepare a plate to serve this delicious halwa. So let's serve it in a beautiful platter. as we all are not eating much outside these days. So you too surprise your sibling caramelized halwa on this Raksha Bandhan. May you all cherish the bond of brother and sister forever in your lives. Stay happy and keep celebrating such beautiful festivals. Thank you.